Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Just fucking with you. Um, hey you guys, welcome back. For three, this is her. It's named Coco because it sounds like chocolate. I got it for her birthday one year. She's obsessed with teddy bears, and I gotta make her happy. So I do anything for my wife. I love her. Aww. So anyway, this is probably the last part. We got stuff we want to do, so want to watch a movie and stuff. So getting right. Yeah, late. Uh, I will do the discard effect. Fun fact: only zombies are one card. Spider. Vampire suck. Oh, excuse me. I apologize for her rudeness. Ow. Not sure why I did that. Uh, uh, oh wait, I forgot to use this effect. Shit. These counters aren't gonna matter. Sorry, my wife is so quiet. She's shy. Yeah. Too bad I don't play the other guy. The rank 5 guy. That would actually been pretty good. Yeah. In your point of view. Okay. Um, I couldn't make this. I guess I'll just pass my turn. That's not a bad turn. I thought he had his hair cut. She's patting herself on the back. Wait, what happened? Yeah. Aren't we a cute couple? Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, we're gonna keep doing another match because that was a short match. I know she will. I love you. Ow, my finger. Got that cut on my finger, remember? She's trying to hold hands. She's cute. I wanna hold you.
Really?
I know y'all guys are a little young for that, but that was the Beatles. Wait, did I pick the wrong deck? Yes. Play with it or no? It's a good hand.
Play with it. Damn. Wait, no, because you gotta do that. Bitch, please.
I'm gonna do something stupid. Do you think my phone looks scared when it actually is? She's thinking of something funny right now. That's why she's smiling. Come on, babe. Oh,
Dinos.
well, that might make you happy.
My baby.
Oh.
You're my baby too.
Lost Boy still doesn't get its effect because of Twin Twister being Chain Link 3. It removes from the field, so it doesn't get a chance to resolve. Okay, making sure most people don't know that. What are you thinking of? That's so funny.
I'm not.
Why are you smiling? Mm-hmm. Why are you smiling for, Dan? I don't know if y'all can see y'all, but she's like cuddled up to me. It's so cute. So cute. She's adorable.
Ow.
Ah, shit. Here he comes. I don't know if I can actually come. I don't think I can. Ultimate Conductor.
R.I.P. buddy.
Yeah. I'm just gonna let this go in minutes. Just. Yes, she does still trigger. I love that bitch.
So good.
So good. Oh. Not against this matchup, it's not. When it's destroyed, not sent.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Oh, I should have done that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up, subscribe. I know you're thinking couch below. I'll catch you guys later. This is Genzo Zane out. Did I win any games today?
No.
I lost all 3. I thought I won the close of it one. I forgot. It was just the one we just did, right?
Thank you all.
So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is Jinzo and the Finge Angel signing out. Good night. Happy Halloween.